Hi everyone, welcome to Do Random Things. Today we'll be crushing this coconut and we'll be seeing if it's even possible to crush this in a vise. Our mystery has finally come to a conclusion. You can see how this coconut is crushed. It is really, really impressive. I don't know how this was even possible. But a coconut that's very strong just got crushed easily with the vise. You can see how much damage there was. A fibrous thing like a coconut should be hard to crush with a vise. But you can see how it was crushed. This is fascinating and disgusting. You can see how, ew. It is really cool. It's really cool. The way it got crushed, the way it got cracked here, it's all perfect. This is how something should be crushed. Now that we're done crushing the coconut once, why don't we crush it a bunch more times? there you have it. That's a crushed coconut. What's even worse is actually the juices that are flowing out of it. It's really disgusting. It smells really bad. Don't try this at home. Oh man. Well, there you have it. You can crush a coconut.